Hey, what's up, everyone? My name's AJ Wrights Crypto,
And I am Jada the Glitter Queen.
and this is your week. I don't even know portfolio update.
18 maybe? I
Well,
don't know.
no, way more than 18. The thing is that we vocalized on this channel that if we are not doing a portfolio update that week, that means we bought stable coins. And if you look at the charts I'm about to show you, you will see that we would have lost even more money. It would have been a net negative if we consistently DCA'd the past 6 weeks. So instead, we stack our stable coins to make a big move. And I believe now is the time. I'm going to show you.
Tell him why, AJ.
I'm going to show you a series of charts that are going to make you go, I think Q4 is going to be absolutely insane this year. Let's start with the 3-day chart for Ondo. First of all, we got, we're coming up, we're bouncing off this uptrend. We're forming like, sort of not really a symmetrical triangle, but the concept with a bullish divergence, green dot printed on the 3-day. It's only a matter of time before Ondo breaks out, comes up this way. And we like for a lot of these coins from the prices we are now to 2024 highs, it's at least over 100% for all of them, some of them 200%. And there you go. 3-day chart for Ondo. 3-day chart for H bar, really close to a breakout, respecting this like slight uptrend that from last year, not to mention on the 3-day, a bullish divergence. All right, let's keep it going.
You're going to start to see a pattern here.
You're going to start to see a pattern here. Algorand, 3-day chart, green dot printed. Bullish divergence. The uptrend for Algorand is more of a curved uptrend. Yes, curved uptrends are real, but as you can see here, this thing's going to go. And once Algorand gets above 16 cents, the magical number, Algorand's going to explode. The daily chart for FET or ASI, the Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. So this is one of those deals where it's not as much of a bullish divergence, but look at the curvature on the money flow, leaving the red, green dot printed on the daily, very close to a breakout. Daily chart closing above the 50 EMA. All right, VeChain, another big one here. This is a big one in our portfolios. We're coming, look, very getting close to the breakout. And another thing I like about VeChain, I think I have on this other chart here, is that we have been respecting this uptrend that we formed back here going into 2024. As long as VeChain stays above 0.0192, we're in the clear, not to mention a bullish divergence forming on the 3-day. Once this green dot prints on VeChain, like it has on several other charts, we can probably expect these charts to break out instead of break down, considering Q4 is going to be an absolute powerhouse. And I think if you're a VeChain holder, we can expect a big move, even so if VeChain, which it probably will, I would bet 100% one day VeChain will reclaim its 2024 high, which is 152% from its current price.
That would make my bag look real nice.
Oh, yeah.
That would help a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So talking about your bag, look at the graph.
I know.
Daily chart, same concept.
All this bullish divergence.
I know we're putting in higher lows, macro higher lows. Even that wick perfectly bounced off that. We're getting very close to breaking out. Anchor wave, trigger wave, leaving the red. And what's really interesting about the money flow with the graph, I wanted to point this out really fast. We just look at Market Cipher here. All right. And let's kind of look at, this big chunk of red right here. All right. About 100 days. Okay. This next big chunk of red right here, 109 days. This big chunk of green here, 104 days. Next big chunk of green here, about 80 days. And this big chunk of red here, 135 days. So we're averaging around 100, 110 in terms of the how the red to green runs here. And as you can see on the daily chart, the curvature of the money flow, the graph is leaving the red eventually. And I believe that will ultimately lead to a GRT breakout. And finally, lastly, Jasmy on the daily chart approaching that breakout level. It still has a solid support resistance at $0.015, not to mention little uptrend forming here as well. There is a lot of really, really, really bullish narrative coming into Q4. I think September is going to be September, but the rest of this year, this is the time to pack our bags. So we both have 6 DCAs, which is it would be 600. 100 a week, 600 for you,
Okay.
and 3,000 for me.
I thought we were originally only doing 300, so this just got me even more excited.
Exactly. So let's start with my portfolio.
Okay.
All right. And here's the thing. Like we mentioned, we have been going the wrong direction with these bags, but the beautiful thing about this series is that you are going to see these bags recover and enter the green. All in all, I am down 992 on the graph, 547 on H bar, 440 on Algo, 430 on V chain, 207 on Phantom. The only coin in both of our bags that's in the green is the PHEMEX token, up 147. And I still think that one's a winner. Who'd have thought? Down 235 on Arrow. I think I was trying to be fancy splashing Arrow. I'm just going to leave it in there. It's only a very small percentage of the bag. And we're down 119 on Jasmine. So all in all, I have $9,250 invested in this bag. I'm down a little over $2,800, which is down about 30%. But guys, when we start seeing charts like this, and we're pending breakout time for all of those charts I showed you, Algo, H bar, Ondo, V chain, ASI, Jasmine, the graph, all of them looking like they're about to break out. 30% on a portfolio is not that hard to get ahead of. So all in all, I have a $3,000 DCA for this week. I'm adding some new coins here. I'm going 1,000 into ASI, FET. AI, I want that AI exposure. I think it's going to break out. I've been day trading it in the Telegram group. It's been going very well. I'm going 1,000 into Ondo. I really like Ondo. I like the whole narrative, and I have an Ondo price prediction coming your way very soon on this channel. And I'm putting 1,000 into Jasmine. Let's be honest, Jasmine is absolutely going to explode.
Jasmine's kind of become our bread and butter.
Yeah, I mean,
bit.
when like people on the street at the airport are like, AJ, oh my God, what should I buy? I always tell them, man, I'm really looking at Jasmine right now. And as you can see, we got a nice 121% pump for Jasmine to get back to that 2024 high. And guys, I really think this one's going to explode big time. They call it the Bitcoin of Japan for a reason. So that is what I'm doing. Let's hand it over to the Glitter Queen here and talk to them about your portfolio.
All right. Well, firstly, you guys are getting some major alpha from AJ that usually is in his private Telegram group. So might want to really pay attention to some of that. Yep. All right, guys. I am all negative, okay? But we're just gonna roll through it. All right. I am down 169 on Algorand, 208 on the graph, 148 on VChain, 111 on HBAR. $40 on Chainlink, 99 on ADA, and 20 on Jasmine. Thank goodness Jasmine is my least of the red.
Yes.
So with that being said, I got $2,000 invested. AJ, I originally thought we were doing 300. I get to do $600.
Yes.
That changes things just a smidgy.
Just double.
I mean, honestly, no. I think I want to distribute it a little bit more. Okay. I'm down in everything. So originally I was going to do $100 between Algorand, the graph, and Jasmine. Mm-hmm. I think I'm still going to do that, but let's toggle it a little bit. Jasmine is my lowest one in the red. I think Jasmine can carry me a little bit. Mm-hmm. So we're going to throw $300 into Jasmine.
You read my mind.
And then my other $300 is going to be distributed between Algorand, the graph, and VChain. Okay. So $100 into all three of those. I feel like that feels good. I'm down 39%. I got 9% on AJ. I want to get back. So I'm shipping it into Jasmine, and hopefully we see some pretty colors.
Amazing. So everybody, there you go. And what Jada said there is actually right on the nose. If you want to join my private Telegram alpha group, ajalphagroup@gmail.com, send me an email, get involved, take your trading to the next level. And to take us out of this video, it's our guy, BitBoy Crypto, signing off. Smash the likes.
These are sunglasses from the future. And guess what? The price of Bitcoin's higher there.
Boom. Have yourself a safe rest of your day. Get rich or get wrecked.
Bye.
Bye.